Today, I wanted to share one of a love poem written by W.B. Yeats, a well-known, a greatest love poet, you can call him. So this poem, When You Are Old. So this one is about expressing his love to her he differentiate the true love or what we call inner love and infatuation, and also how the beauty, the physical attraction, and what we are at youth will fade away slowly. For infatuation, this physical attraction is sufficient. But for a true love, this physical attraction is not the only one, but the soul. So he calls pilgrimage soul. It's a sacred soul. That is where two souls meets each other. That is the true love. He talks about love, and most of human beings will encounter the infatuation, and sometimes it turns into love. Sometimes we have a true love, which also experienced by all of us. And here he was addressing, he was saying, when you become old, you'll read my poem written about honor love, that is himself, how true he is and how he loved her. And when you read this poem, I may not be there. So he wrote this poem on one of Irish actress, so where he get infatuated, and he describes his inner feelings, inner love about her. And what most of us is, whether we are a beautiful or we look very smart or whatever it is, but still every day when we woke up or when we go in front of the mirror and we think everyone is beautiful, and this thinking inner is more important, he says. So this physical beauty may fade away. So as the age goes, we lose it. How beautiful you are, so your skin shrinks as we go age, and the glamour, what you think, what you call it is attractive, will go off. Your eyes will become blur in the future, you cannot see, and your hair turns to gray, and you will, physically you look different. And this is what is keeping in mind when you are old. Remember how many of them loved you, and how many are true with this. And there is a one who loved your soul. So that is his concern, his love, how true his love is. And he is not attracted towards his physical beauty, for our physical beauty, but he is attracted our soul. By our soul, he wanted to love not because of physical beauty, but for the entire life, whether it's happiness or sorrow. The love should be their concern, or should be with them when you are happy, when she is happy, when she is sorrow as well. So that is what is describing true love. Let us go with this poem. So when you are old and grey and full of sleep, as the age when we become old and grey, when all your hair turns to grey and full of sleep, and you can't do anything, you won't go anywhere, you're all sleeping, almost like, near the bed. He was trying to imagine another 40 years or 50 years. Suppose you are 30 years, 20 years now means you are 20 years. He is giving an imagination of 80 years. So all turns to grey, and you are old and you are full of sleep. And that is indicating physically you become a weak. And nodding by the fire, take down this book. In Western countries, we have fire. The corner of the house, there will be a fire. So because cold country, European countries or cold countries we'll get the fire. So you're nodding by the fire. Nodding by the fire, take down this book. What I have written now. Take down this book and slowly read. And dream of the soft look your eyes had once, and of their shadows deep. So when you become old and when you turns grey, that is, all your hair becomes grey and you are old and you are full of sleep, you become weak, and your faces are shrunken, and you are nobbing near the fire and sitting close to the fire, and then read this book. Now you're reading this book with the soft, it says, dream of soft look your eyes had once. When you are aged, that indicates the soft look and the deep, that is the early age you had, like your young age, that is presently what you have now, that is trying to describe when you become old and remembered. And slowly read and dream of the soft look your eyes at once, and their shadows deep. Their shadows, that is what you have the early youth time. How many loved your moments of glad grace? So your physical beauty is loved by how many? Many of them loved your glad of grace, that is the beauty at the age, 18 or 20 years of age, how you are looking, how beautiful you are, and how many would have thought, how many would have loved you and loved your beauty with false or true. And you also loved. So you also have seen in front of the mirror, and it's true or false. You think whether you are really beautiful or not, but you also loved your own. That is what you are saying. At that age, when you see in front of the mirror, whether you are beautiful or not, but still you loved that physical beauty once you had during your early ages, that is during youth. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you. But that one man is the poet. But the one man loved the pilgrim soul in you. Sees that indirectly he is saying this youth beauty, that is a physical appearance, whether you liked or not liked, whether you loved or many other have loved you, but there is a man who loved your pilgrim soul. He actually, that is the poet expressing, actually I did not love your physical beauty, but I loved your inner beauty. That is a soul. I loved your soul. That's also described. Pilgrimage, sacred. See, that is how he compares. That love, that remains, that will never vanish. This physical beauty is going and it is fading, but the soul is immortal. It will never loses its. You cannot see that one. The soul remains. No, it is. We have not seen soul. But the poet wants that soul to be loved. That is what I want. That is indirectly, irrespective of your physical appearance, but the inner love remains same. That is my infatuation started, and that is a love I am finding in you. That is my love he is expressing, he is appealing. And loved the sorrows of your changing face. And loved the sorrows of your changing face. As I know, this is a physical beauty where it's changing its. That is, indirectly, it also says, my love, my concern, my affection is not only for happiness, not only for physical enlightenment, or so even my same concern, support, love remains during the sorrows, changing phase. So maybe when you are sorrow, when you are becoming a weak, when you are becoming old or something happened to you, my love will not change, will remain same. That is, you are becoming young, you are looking very beautiful. After 5 years, you become old, or something, sorrow happens, anything happen to human life. But my love remains same. That is appealing. Appealing is love to her. And bending down beside the glowing bars, so as we go age, bending down beside the glowing bars, a murmur inside. You will think little sadly, how love fled and faced upon the mountains overhead and hide his face amid a crowd of stars. Here, poet saying, at that time, when you read this poem, that is blending bars, you are beside, what is saying, and bending down beside a glowing bars. Bending down beside the glowing bars. When you become old, as the age goes, when you old, when you are, fading, bending, so going, life is taking towards end days, glowing bars. So it is like in the cage, you are, the age, you're himself, you yourself as, it's almost you're inside like some restricted area. That is the time a little sad. So a murmur inside, you will think. Inside you will feel that sinner murmuring, saying sadly, how love fled, how love gone, how I missed that love and faced upon the mountains overhead. So it went off the mountains. So you can see the mountains, it went up the mountains overhead and hide his face amid a crowd of stars. So it is gone over the mountains and it is stuck amidst the many stars. Among the stars on the sky, your face is stuck there, it has gone there. So that's how love fled, that's how the imagination, this is how even after my death, so my love will be there. You can see this is concern, it's how he is personified. He is like become a stone, a star in the sky. Still, you will see my love will be there. My love is not for physical attraction or physical beauty, even for the sorrows you are going through. And this is how wonderful about the poet is appealing, and this is anticipating the future, and this is how it is going to be. And he wrote many poems on her. This also one of the poem was love poem, where his true love is being expressed, is being appealed to her, but he indirectly says infatuation and love are not one and the same. Infatuation is only for physical attraction, physical beauty, but true love is for the soul. So soul exists means you are there, whether you are young or old, whether you are beautiful or not beautiful, whoever it is, but one loves the soul is the true lover. So that is the poet. So I am such a lover, but when you read this poem, when you are old, I may not be there. That's what he said. The love is fled over the mountain and hide his face among the stars. Such a wonderful imagination. No? So now we don't imagine when we become old, should we, we are like this only, or when you become, that feeling and the same affection what we had at the age of 20 years towards my love remains even at the age of 80. They are the true lovers because they not love the physical beauty, they love the inner soul. So that is the true love. That's all about this poem. I really enjoyed this. So very nice. Think you also enjoy. Thank you.